Oh my God! Welcome. It's your girl, Amber Ashli, your favorite fashion and personal stylist. So that would be the front door. That's the closet. These are the hats from my first collection. I dropped 2017, very first hat. Where my brand is, I drop a product once a month, and it's only for 6 months, and then the 7th month is a giveaway. This is my vision board from 2019, and this actually was the first time I ever did a vision board. I never did one before, and I was invited by a friend to a vision board party, which is really dope. I didn't do one this year, but that's okay. Like, goals will still get attained. You'll have to come here to know what this wall is, this pillar. Just some water. I have to hang these up. Some of my postcards. And then this is, I actually made this banner on Vistaprint. So I think there was like a promo. I did this a year ago. I just collected some of the work I did. Shout out to all the models on here and who helped. This is another rack. The way I did it, I put like dresses and cardigans on this side. There's some skirts here, more bottoms, like pants, and then more jeans down here, pants, and shawls. Another wall behind it, when you come here, you have to do something on that wall. Shout out to everybody who essentially has signed it. So it's really dope. And yes, this is some men's sneakers and some women's shoes. All of the tops are on this rack. So regular shirts, blazers, denim, and then just regular hangers. Right now, I'm at the end of cleaning up essentially. There's still a little bit more to do as far as sweeping and taking out the trash. But just want to give like a little quick tour. Wrapping up. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for supporting what I do. If you are artist, creative, drop your tag below so we can support each other. Also, if you are in New Haven County and you're an aspiring model and you want to get styled, contact me. And that's how you do it. And I'll see you guys at the next video. Thank you so much. Stay blessed.